let's get it. Alright, today we are doing the normal. It's my first time doing one of these things, you know. So, I think I'll just get straight into it. I just got done taking a shower, so, yeah. First I need to blow dry my hair, and then I'll get into the video. Set you guys right up there. Let's try to get like 15 likes. Sorry about the noise. That's my sister. But yeah, it's my first time doing one of these slime review things, but I think I might like it. I don't know. Oof. And if anyone asks, yes, I am 18. Don't look it, but I am. I don't even know what she's listening to. But yeah, just gonna shut that. And let's get into it. I'll set you guys right over here. And then I'll go get it. What it is. Where did I put it? Trying to think where I put it. Oh gosh. I'm funny, ain't I? Yeah. Where did I put that thing? Here it is. Alright. Today, you guys, we're doing chocolate mint slime ice cream. Right there, you can see. Yeah. And it looks and feels real. Like it's actual ice cream. I guess. I don't know. It's by Slime Factor made it. It contains 6.26 ounces of it, or you know, 177.4 grams of slime, you know. Now let's get this bad baby cracked open. Where is it? We shouldn't need the El Supro knife, but plus I don't even know where it is, so ta-da! But yeah, where is that thing? New Year's, you know, got a little crazy. Got a couple solo cups around the room or something. That almost smells like it. I don't know. Yeah, it smells like it too, dude. That's awesome. Oh, no, it does not. It does not feel like. It doesn't smell like it. I thought it did at first. That was not slime. It smells weird. That's all I can say is it smells weird. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna get the board out. Alright, you guys can see the board. Right, yeah. Okay. Dude, it won't come out. Dude, it's coming out like weird. Dude. Dude. I don't know, like, if you would ever, like, pick up throw up, I don't know, like, if you would ever, like, pick up throw up, this is what this feels like. feels weird. That's all I can say is it's weird. There's a little heft to it. I like it though. It's like weird. I don't know. It's weird. Whoa. I want to get a bunch of this stuff, okay? And like fill my mom's car up with it or something, dude. That'd be kind of fun. It's my sister. But yeah. It's cool. I like it. It's weird. You know? It's not bad looking. My sister, she's like, I don't know, 12. Who knows? But yeah, it's pretty cool looking. You guys wanna... Oh, I mean, we could open up the other one. I got a couple different ones, okay? I think we'll open them all tonight. You know what? Fuck it. Let's do it. Set you guys right up here. My name's Camden, by the way, y'all. Camden. I'm new to all this stuff, okay? I'm new to the YouTube. Yeah, I've done those jumping videos that, if you go to my YouTube account and shit. Dude, it's so cool looking. Fucking weird too. What the hell? It fucked it up. Oh. Ah. Ow. Ow. That's what good pussy sounds like. Alright, so what should I open next? Oh. I have these. I've already opened them. They're FARP. But, this is banana. Yeah. Banana. Blue raspberry. That's what it sounds like when you tongue punch a fart box. But yeah, those are kind of cool, but let's get straight down to the skitter. This stuff, I don't know what to think about this. What the? It's not exactly like, dude, it's melting kind of. Alright, you guys gotta see this. Bye.